Hi friends, in this video we are going to see form abandonment features in WPForms. Click Add-on in WPForms plugin. Find Form Abandonment Addon. Install and activate Form Abandonment Addon. Click Add New in WPForms plugin. Now I am creating a simple contact form. Go to settings of that form. Here choose Form Abandonment and enable it. Now I am choosing the option Save only if email address or phone number is provided. Now we are going to see a demo for it. Form abandonment in WPForms works on any one condition from given two conditions below. One is when the user moves their mouse outside of the browser's viewport, or when the user clicks on a link on the page. Now I am saving the form and copying shortcode from embed option and going to paste in one of the post. Now I am entering email ID. To show the demo for you, I left the form and clicked the new tab which is outside of browser's viewport. Now I am going back to WordPress dashboard to check whether WPForms plugin saved the partial filled form or not. For that we have to go to the entries of that particular form. And we can see that partial data is saved. Now we have seen demo for the first option in form abandonment with two conditions. Kindly note the first option works only with email and phone number fields. Next we are going to see the second option in form abandonment. The second option is always save abandoned entries. This option will save the partial data and it can be of any one field like name or comment, etc. Next we are going to see the third option in form abandonment. The third option is prevent duplicate abandoned entries. This option can be enabled with option 1 or option 2 at the same time. By default, when partial filled data is again filled by user for remaining fields, it will be saved as new entry. When using third option, the remaining field will be stored in the same entry instead of new entry.